As I mentioned in my previous video, sharing some visuals of our Shimoga Zoo Safari along with my watercolor painting demonstration. 12th September, Saturday morning. Reached Shimoga town. We took 5.5 hours and covered 311 kilometers. Shimoga, officially known as Shivamoga, the town lies on the banks of Tunga River. Being the gateway for the hilly region of the Western Ghats, the city is popularly nicknamed as Gateway to Malnad. On the way, we visited Shimoga Zoo, located in Tavarakoppe, about 10 kilometers from Shimoga town. This is a place to rehabilitate the lions and tigers that are rescued from circuses across India. It is an open zoo where safaris are conducted for tourists by the forest department. Actually, this was not there in our plan. On the way, we saw the zoo entrance and inquired with the gatekeeper. He said the zoo is open from Monday. This is the first ticket counter. Here we will get the entrance ticket. 40 rupees for adults and 20 rupees for kids. And also paid the parking fee. We parked our car and going to the second ticket counter for the safari tickets. I paid 450 rupees, which includes 150 per adult, 75 for kid. This is for safari, and 75 rupees for our DSLR. We got into the minibus for safari. This zoo is spread over 617 acres, has 377 animals, which includes 4 lions and 7 tigers. The first attraction is 5 species of deers, which includes sambas, spotted deers, nilgais, black books, and hog deers. Now we are going to the tiger enclosures. There are 7 tigers in this zoo. Somebody commented that this tiger looks like starving. Forest department may not be feeding properly. Our driver clarified, this is very aged one, and the maximum lifespan of a tiger is from 10 to 15 years. Because of age, it looking weak. Now we are going to the enclosures for lions. There are 4 lions in this zoo. I am trying to paint this lion in watercolors. We are almost done with the safari. This took only half an hour. Time is about 11:05 a.m. This was really an unexpected visit, and we continued our journey towards our destination, Kollur. 13th September, Sunday morning. After wonderful darshan at Mookambika Devi temple, heading to Murudeshwar, 9 am now, around 33 kilometers to Murudeshwar. After Murudeshwar, we are planning to visit Jog Falls. I will include more visuals of Murudeshwar and Jog Falls in my another video. Thank you for watching.